The high-performance mechanical keyboards reflects a broader trend. Professionals seeking tools that boost efficiency, comfort, and precision. Electricians are no different. When it comes to electrical work, a reliable screwdriver set is essential. This guide evaluates the best screwdriver sets for electricians, focusing on insulation rating, grip comfort, versatility, build quality, and value for money. Whether you're rewiring panels or adjusting terminals, the right tool makes all the difference. List 1. Klein Tools 85076 Screwdriver Set. USA made with non-slip cushion grip. The Klein Tools 85076 set is a favorite among professional electricians, and for good reason. Made in the USA, it includes a collection of precision-engineered slotted and Phillips screwdrivers built to last. The standout feature is the cushion grip handle, which provides superior torque without hand fatigue. Each driver is clearly marked and color-coded, making it easy to grab the right tool on the go. List number: Hurricane 1000V Insulated Screwdriver Set. 15-piece professional kit designed for safety and professional performance. The Hurricane 1000V Insulated Screwdriver Set is a complete kit for any electrician working with live circuits. Certified for up to 1000 volts, these screwdrivers offer both peace of mind and reliability. The set includes a variety of slotted, Phillips, and Posidrift tips, all neatly organized in a molded storage. List number: bilitools Insulated Screwdriver and Plier Set, all-in-one electrical toolkit. The bilitools Insulated Screwdriver and Plier Set is an excellent choice for electricians who want more than just screwdrivers. This 1000V rated set includes both insulated magnetic screwdrivers and precision pliers, offering extra utility for wire work, gripping, or bending. The screwdrivers come with durable chrome vanadium steel shafts and magnetic tips that make fastener handling more efficient. The pliers are equally impressive. Well-balanced, insulated, and great for cutting or crimping wires. List number: Klein Tools 32500 11-in-1 Screwdriver Nut Driver Set. Compact and versatile. If you need maximum functionality in a compact form, the Klein Tools 3250 is the tool for you. It combines 8 different screwdriver bits, Phillips, slotted, Torx, square, and 3 nut driver sizes into a single, rugged tool. While not insulated for live work, this screwdriver is perfect for day-to-day electrical installations and repairs. The bits store inside the handle and swap easily, making it ideal for fieldwork where carrying a full toolkit isn't feasible. List number 5. Hurricane 1000V Insulated Screwdriver Set. Complete safety and functionality duplicate. While this is the same Hurricane 15-piece set mentioned earlier, it's worth highlighting again due to its strong value. With its wide selection of insulated drivers, ergonomic handles, and hard-shell case, this set remains a favorite for both entry-level and seasoned electricians. The 1000V insulation rating ensures safe operation during live work, and the broad assortment of driver tips meets the needs of almost any job site.